Japan, a global powerhouse in fisheries, harvests billions of dollars worth of seafood annually, with tuna reigning supreme in its culinary culture. From sushi bars in Tokyo to high-end restaurants in New York, Japanese tuna is a symbol of quality and tradition. Join us as we trace the journey of tuna from the ocean to your plate, revealing the cutting-edge technology, sustainable practices, and cultural legacy behind this massive industry. Once caught, the tuna is immediately flash frozen using individual quick freezing (IQF) technology, locking in freshness and nutrients at sub-zero temperatures. This ensures the fish remains as pristine as the moment it left the water, meeting strict FDA standards for export to the US market. Back on land, the tuna is transported in refrigerated trucks to state-of-the-art processing factories, a journey that takes mere hours to preserve quality. At the factory, the fish undergo a meticulous classification process. Sort tuna by size and weight, determining their destiny. Larger fish for premium sashimi, smaller ones for canning. The classified tuna then takes two paths. Some head to iconic markets like Tokyo's Toyosu, where a single bluefin tuna can fetch millions at auction, destined for sushi restaurants across Japan and the US. Others arrive at processing plants, where they're transformed into a variety of products. This automated system processes thousands of fish per hour, ensuring efficiency and precision. Skilled workers oversee the process, blending traditional expertise with modern technology to maintain Japan's reputation for excellence. Sustainability is at the heart of Japan's tuna industry. With bluefin tuna populations under pressure, Japan enforces strict quotas and invests in aquaculture to farm tuna sustainably. Factories recycle water and use solar energy, reducing their environmental footprint compared to traditional meat processing. These efforts align with American consumers' growing demand for eco-friendly products, making Japanese tuna a model for sustainable seafood. Advanced vacuum sealing and BPA-free cans ensure safety and shelf life, producing millions of cans annually for brands like Bumblebee, a favorite in American households. For sashimi, the fish is sliced into perfect portions, flash frozen again, and shipped to markets worldwide, including the US, where sushi consumption is booming. Tuna is more than food in Japan, it's a cultural icon. From ancient fishing villages to modern sushi chefs crafting artful dishes, tuna defines Japanese cuisine. In the US, it stars in everything from classic tuna salad to high-end sushi rolls. This video takes you behind the scenes of a multi-billion-dollar industry, from ocean to factory to table. Whether you're a foodie, a tech enthusiast, or passionate about sustainability, Japan's tuna story will captivate you. Subscribe for more incredible journeys into the world of food production. And share your favorite tuna dish in the comments. 496 words.